day number 2 of the trade show, and I'm gonna switch the camera shot around here, okay? Because I'm on the outside kind of lobby area of the West Convention Center. Everybody else is inside, so it's kind of quiet out here. Except check this out. So Felicio brought his backpack. So what you're looking at is an LED screen that is integrated with power supply right into a backpack. So how cool is that, eh? So we're going to get some footage here of it being put on. Oh, Scott's going to be a model here. Yeah. So basically this slips over your shoulder just like a backpack here, right? And you can walk around at an event and promote something. So Calicio, this is so awesome. Calicio has a what would you call it? He's a mascot. He is his own mascot. So he's going to put on the mascot outfit, and he's going to put the digital sign on his back. So I'm going to get some footage of that walking around at the trade show. Sound good? That is so awesome. Okay, guys, stop recording. The next one will be the footage of going through the trade show with a backpack. Cool.